Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. This is the new one that just came out. So I'm going to check out to see what it has inside. Alright, oh, and it's made in Korea, so that's really good. It's going to be a lot better quality. Okay. So that has this just covering up the phone, and this is the phone itself. This one in particular is the Phantom Pink, and as you can see it has that gold trim all around, and then also around the cameras itself. So let's put that there and let's see what else comes inside. Okay, so that's everything in the box. And it has that little clip for the SIM card. Okay, that's everything. It just has the quick reference guide, the terms and conditions, and just really quickly, introducing you to the phone, how to get the most out of it. And it comes with the USB charger. It doesn't have the wall charger adapter. They got rid of it this time around. And that's everything that comes in the box. So here's the phone again. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. And if you're considering to buy one, this is everything that comes in the box for the S21 5G. And this one is the Phantom Pink.